Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to create a quiz for your Blogger website. So let's get started. Now there are a lot of websites or services which help you create quiz for your website. One of them is called OpinionStage. So just go to this website called opinionstage.com and just sign up for an account. And after that, just log into the account. Now when you log into this website, you will find this screen. Now if you already have any items created like quiz, poll or survey or anything like that, they will all be displayed over here. And then on the top right, we have a button called Create New. So if you hover over that, we can see a lot of different options which we have. So we can create all these different types of content like poll, survey, quiz, form, slideshow and all of these. And then we have one more method which we can use to create a quiz. So you can find this button called templates. So just click on that. And here we can see templates and examples of different kinds of content. Now since we need to create a quiz, we can just click on trivia quiz over here. And all these templates for quiz will be displayed over here. Now you can just click on any of these and then click on use this template, and here we can see the template. We can just go ahead and add our questions and options and all these different things, and then you can just click on publish and then embed that into your Blogger website. We'll create a quiz from scratch. So let's go to this create new button and we'll click on trivia quiz, and we'll create this quiz for basic computer knowledge. Now you can just name this quiz anything you want. So I'll just type basic computer quiz. And then you have this option of having a cover. So whenever we open the page on which there is a quiz, the first thing that will show is this cover. And then once you click on the start button, you can go to the quiz. So let's add a title over here. We just copy this from here and paste it over here. And then here you can have some description of the quiz. So let me just type something over here. Now you can even format this text by using these buttons over here. And then you can add different things like bullets, numbered list and even links. Then you have this option called start button title. So by default it is set to start. Now if you want, you can customize this start button by just typing your own message over here. I'll just change it to I am ready. And then here we have the option of using an image for the quiz. So you can just click on this and then add your image. Here we can see we can add image from your computer, or you can add image from a web address, camera, and a lot of different options are there. And then if you open this drop down, you can see you also have the option of adding a video. And then here finally we have the option of adding questions and options. So type your question over here. So here I have added a question. And then here we also have the option of adding image or video to the question if that is what you need in your quiz. And then here we can add the options. So let's type some options over here. And then you can click on add more button to add more options. Now we have added all the options. Now you have to select the correct option from here. So this is the correct option. So just click on that. And then you have different options over here like adding multiple correct answers. So for example, if this question was which of the following is a web browser, then the user has to select these three options from here. So for that you can use this option. And there's also this option of randomizing the order of answers. So every time the quiz is asked, these options will be displayed in different orders. Like the first option will be displayed as the last option when you open this quiz for a second time. But these two options require you to have a premium account. So if I click on that, we can see it says this is a starter plan feature. So if you want to enjoy the full features of this service, then you can upgrade your membership. So you can just click on upgrade and choose whatever membership you want. Alright, after that you also have this option of writing an explanation of the answers. So if I click on that, here we have a text box which we can use to explain the answer. So we just type something over here. So we have added the explanation of the answer. Alright, now let's add one more question. So I have just added the second question. Let me just select the correct answer. And we'll not have any explanation for this answer. Let's add one more question. Alright, we have added 3 questions in our quiz. Now the next thing we'll do is we'll customize the result. So here we can see we have an option to add a message for our result. So under set results, you can just type something you want. So for this one, we will just type some message right here. And then you can add an image or a video over here as well. And then you also have this option of adding a call to action. But for that, you need to have a business plan on Opinion Stage. Now let's go ahead and add another result. So right now it says 0 to 3 correct answers. Now if you click on add another result, the first one says 0 to 2 correct answers. So if the user has 0 to 2 correct answers, then this message will be displayed to the user. And if all the 3 answers are given correctly, then we will have this message. So this is the message that we'll have when the user has all the 3 questions answered correctly. And in the same way, we can add image and videos over here as well. Alright, once that is done, you have different options over here, like you can collect leads by email or phone. You can integrate it with your quiz, but it is also a premium feature. And then down we have some options like remove start again option and hide the correct and incorrect indicators when the quiz is going on. And then you also have this option of adding a timer, which is also a premium feature. So that's it with our quiz as of now. So let's go ahead and publish it. We have a message answer can't be blank. So we have an extra answer block over here. We'll just remove that. Alright, now let's click on publish. So our quiz has been published. Now you also have different options over here, like changing the look and feel. So you can change the color theme and the font, and you also have the option of auto scroll to top if you have a long quiz. And then you also have the option of adding social share buttons and a lot of things. You can just go ahead and take a look at all of them. Once you're done all of that, just go ahead and click on save. And you can just preview your quiz by clicking on this button called preview. So this is how the start will look, and we have customized this button over here. So just click on I'm ready, and this is the quiz. You can just click on the correct answer. So let's click on a wrong answer for the first one. So it instantly gives you the answer and the explanation. So let's click on next. And then the last one. So here you can see we have 2 out of 3 correct answers, and we have this custom message which is set for 0 to 2 correct answers. And then you also have this option of sharing the result on social media. And then you also have this button called start again to start the quiz all over again. Alright, so everything is alright. So let's click on close. Now we need to add this to our Blogger website. So we'll click on this button called embed and share. Now you have to select this option called script and then copy this code from here, and then go to your Blogger posts, and I will just create a new post. So here, if you are in the compose view, just click on this button and switch to the HTML view, and just go ahead and paste your code right here, and then click on publish. So our quiz has been published. Now let's click on view, and here is our quiz. Let's click on I am ready, and let's solve this quiz. This time we'll solve all the correct answers. So here you can see all the questions are answered correctly, and we have the different message that we set for this result. So that's basically it for this video. This is how you create a quiz for your Blogger website. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.